Liam and the guys doing some scarification work, taking organic material off the green. Looks like quite an aggressive application, but once we get some top dressing seed in here, the golfers will hardly notice we've been here. Lyle is over here with the power brushes, tidying up what's left from the scarification. You can see the holes from the hollow core. Those are very small. Just show you my fingernail if I can. Guys are emptying boxes into the back of the buggy, taking the material away. I'll show you the material that kind of comes off. It's probably amazed some people. This is just dead organic material on the top of the grass surface, just like a sponge. That's only one of the loads off a year, probably 6 or 7 loads of that buggy off this surface. So the hollow core and the scarification has been done in all the golf course greens, and it's now being carried out on the practice area.